Hi guys, OBS JJ here, and I'm making another video with my cousin, Kimmy. You can come in now.
Hi.
We, as you can tell behind us, are going to be making slime. For her second time, my first time. Yes, I know, we're what's the word,
We're sure about
no.
how to
well, yeah.
How sure it'll come out.
Hence the reason you have a little instruction book, and I don't even know if that works, if that's gonna work, but
It worked to make that slime I have there.
But that's not even stretchy because you didn't have lotion.
Yeah.
Nor do I. Well, I do somewhere, but I can't find it because I'm lazy and don't remember where I put it. Anyways, yeah, I don't know. I'm definitely using the glitters, though. The glitters are freaking awesome. I'm definitely using these glitters.
Alright.
Maybe not those glitters so much, but definitely these 5. Alright! Wait, there's only one bowl. Are we each making our own slime, or are we each making the same slime?
We're just gonna make it all one.
Alright, well, this is my slime.
Yeah, it's yours anyway. This is
All
your kit. I bought this for you.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know how to make slime.
This is your kit to have.
You keep it. I'll take the glitters, though.
The stuff that this makes is what your slime is.
I don't know how to do it, though, so...
We're gonna make it. You ready?
No, I'm keeping the glitters. You can take everything else home.
I can take the slime with me?
Not the slime, but... You can take...
The extra glue.
No! You can take everything with you, except for the slime and the glitter. Okay?
Yeah.
Because I need this glitter. Don't ask what I'm going to use it for yet. Actually, I'm keeping a thing of glue with me. I'm going to keep the open glue with me, just in case I ever need it for a YouTube video. Oh gosh, now what are you doing, you psycho child? We seriously need all that?
Yep. 6 ounces. This is 5 ounces.
So we need more than that.
Yep.
Alright, well then, make sure there's some of this glue left for me at least.
Oh, there will be. Because I have some at home yet.
Okay. You have me scared.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, our mascots are just gonna sit on my music box and watch us.
Hold that.
No. Ah! You're gonna get it on my table, and then I'm gonna hate you for life. I know I'm a brat.
Look at your dresser.
Oh, it's okay. Those glitters will come off. Just gotta wipe them off. It's okay.
So that one.
Alright. I need the rest of that. So, just hand it to me. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Just hand it to me. For the freaking 3rd time. Ugh, Kimmy, you're gonna drive me insane. Alright, when we get this done, you're leaving. And yes, I just said that on YouTube. I do not care.
Ready?
Yes, go for it. Oh, and the reason she's added all of this is because she already pre-measured it. And can I, let go of this now?
Yep.
Okay.
You can flip it up now.
And she forgot to bring us mixing spoons, so she's using her fingers.
Yep, and it's a mess. And it actually feels good. This glue actually really is good.
I am not touching any of this. So technically, she's the one making slime, not me.
I'm adding that slowly, the solution. See how it's already...
That's creepy. What did I do? Oh
my god, this is actually better than the slime that I made. Oh, well.
That's because your cousin's way more important than you.
I might go buy another kit. No, I have more stuff at home I can make. I have a whole bottle of the solution. Why is this one you don't want it?
We'll leave it as I cannot do what it looks like. It's disgusting. How it... Oh, actually, that felt like normal slime. Don't touch me with that. Don't. You already got it on my mascot.
Do you think I need to add more solution?
I don't know. I'm not. No. Go away. Get it away.
You don't want it?
No.
You don't want to keep it?
No. It's so. Kimmy!
It's alright.
You just. I'm gonna kill you!
Did you just hear the...
It did sound like it farted, yeah.
No, it was our mascot's fart.
Our mascots can't fart. Wait, I can't put your face in it, can I?
No.
Why not?
Cause
You're mean. Get it away. Here, I'll go get paper towels. Just
so this is all done.
continue filming or something. I'll be right back, peoples.
So this is what the slime looks like.
Alright. We do not have paper towels. So yeah, just wash it. Just wipe it with that. Oh, and I have to eat, so you can continue filming, okay?
Okay.
I will see.
Do you want some of that glitter put in it since you don't want it?
Yeah. I'm gonna steal.
You can have those because I don't want them.
Ah! It's sticky. Actually, you can take the glue. I don't want that either. I don't think.
Okay, so you don't want this bottle bottle glue?
No.
So did you have fun making this with me? I made most of it, but
Sure.
Were you impressed that your cousin can make slime?
Yes, and you didn't wipe this up very good. It's still here. Wait, I have a towel. I have a freaking towel in here somewhere. Where did I put that?
Oh my God, Julia! Look at the color it comes out.
I don't want to touch it.
Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch
I already
it.
did. What? Okay. All right. I don't think it's safe to bring our mascots down to the ground yet. So yeah, I'm gonna try and find.
Alright, go eat.
All right.
Here, go eat.
All right. I am gonna go eat some food. I shall be back. Woo! My cousin is going to continue filming for me.
And I'm gonna add glitter to the slime.
Yeah, she's gonna add glitter to the slime. So she's gonna continue filming for me. I'm gonna go eat. I shouldn't be too long. Bye-bye. Woo!
Have fun.
Thanks, I will. You too. Good luck.
Oh, I will. I'm just adding glitter now, so. And I'm gonna add in some craft glitter. To the slime. This is what it looks like before I mix it. This is what it looks like after.
Alright, guys. Watch out, cuz. LPSJJ is back from eating Kraft macaroni and cheese and Salisbury steak. Oh my gosh, that thing does not feel right.
They already seen it. They seen it before I mixed it and after.
You just flicked me with the weird stuff. It feels so. Alright, no, just go. Put them away.
I want to show them the other side that I
Okay,
made.
that's the one she made before she came to my house. Now put them away.
Which one do you think I did a better job on? The first one or second?
I don't even know. They both don't feel right.
So do I put lotion to this one to make it soft?
I don't even care anymore.
You don't like making slime with me, do you? Why? Are you a sissy now?
Yes.
I just said that on YouTube.
I don't care. They know I'm psycho. It's mainly just my friends anyways, but one day it won't.
Oh, look at the solution with glitter in it. Ew.
What? What?
A solution with glitter.
What?
A solution with glitter.
Here, take that with you too. Alright, let me. No, I got it in my box! You got it in my filling box. And yes, I know, I'm pathetic. Deal with it.
I have extra glue to go home and make more slime.
Didn't I say to leave it here just in case I needed it? Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Well, I was going to, but I'm like, you know what? No, it's too sticky. Why is this not? No, go away. Go throw it away. Go throw it away. Go throw it away. Or just put it in your bag. Yeah, that works. They didn't get your face. Don't worry. I promise you they did not get your face. Alright, what do you want to do now, Kimmy? I think it's safe to bring our mascots back down.
Woo!
Woo! You're not even in the film. Get over here. Oh. I got some of that stuff on my mascot. Wait, I want to do a sneak peek of my new LPS. I'm not going to be making the new LPS video until I actually have the other two LPS, but there is nothing too bad about doing a little mini sneak peek of her feet. This is the new LPS so far. Whoa, gosh, what? That is all you are allowed to see of her. Can we cover up her face? Yeah, this is all you're allowed to see of her. Alright, now let go. Ah! Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Get it off.
It got covered in glitter, FYI. The glitter comes off, sweetie.
That's my new PS, and now it's ruined with that disgusting glitter. Gosh. Alright, she's okay.
I know she's okay.
She is okay.
I just wiped her off with my shirt.
No one asked you.
But I'm all covered in glitter, and Julia doesn't care.
That's because you're not my LPS anymore. I gave you to my cousin because I had a double.
Yeah.
Bye now. Wah! Crash.
That's so
I'm
mean.
saying you.
That's so mean.
No, it's not. You're mean. What? Oh gosh. Why is Barbie's head like that? Alright, we are going on a field trip. Why is Barbie's head like that? Why? Why? Don't mind my messy room. That's probably the reason I covered up. You know what? I don't care anymore. Yay. Yay. Alright, so yeah, this is 7. Ah!
It's stuck to my.
Don't touch me!
It's stuck to my hand.
Don't touch me! You went! Stop! You went over the cliff somewhere down there!
You're a mean.
You're a mean!
You're mean.
You're a mean!
I'll push you down that hole.
Don't. I won't be able to get him back. I already dropped an LPS back there. Oh, don't mind the blanket. That's why I put the blanket there, because I already dropped an LPS back there. Don't mind my baby clothes. But yeah, there's already an LPS back there. Somewhere back there. I dropped the pink poodle. Remember the pink poodle I used to have? I dropped her back there. Yeah, I was using her in one of my games, and then she just fell, and yeah. Alright, get back down there, Quilt.
Okay.
We don't want to see you in my videos, so go away. There we go. Yay, and now I can just sit here, and yeah. I won't fall. I'm still here. I haven't fell down the cliff yet. Woohoo. What even was that? I don't even know.
You're just being so crazy, that's why.
Okay, well, we're going to end this video because I have a few of my own videos I want to show my cousin.
Alright.
So, bye, guys.
Oh, wait. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See you next
Woo!
time. Woohoo!
Oh, I landed it. Woo! Oh, man, I didn't land that one. Anyways, bye-bye. Now,